The purpose of this video is to identify the location of the label on the Gorbel GS Series electric chain hoist and the information it conveys. The label can be found in one of two places, on the side or on the bottom of the hoist body. The information on the label is to identify the following: hoist body type, size. The information on this label informs us this hoist has a 020/01 body size. Serial number. This will help identify an individual hoist on a multiple hoist order. Manufacture year. When the hoist was manufactured. Please note, the warranty applies from the date of shipping. Rated loads based on single or double fall chain arrangement. Rated loads associated to single fall or double fall chain arrangement of the hoist. Power supply voltage requirements. This verifies the power being supplied is the correct voltage requirement to be used with a hoist. Duty cycle rating, HST, HMI, FEM, verifies the duty cycle rating of the hoist. Chain size, the size of the chain utilized in the unit. Control voltage, what control voltage the hoist uses to function. Note, the hoist has its own control transformer to produce this. The information provided on the label is needed for the initial install, to confirm requirements, and for the future need of parts and technical assistance from Gorbel, as well as for any warranty issues.